What up, fam? How you doing? It's your boy Pastor Dre, and I want to thank you for stopping by my live webinar. And today we are going to show you how to build a six-page website for your church from scratch for free. That's right, six-page website for your church from scratch for free. So go ahead and get comfortable. It's going to be a great webinar today. And just let me set up a few things on my end so we can get rolling here. Let me just set this up here. All right. So go ahead and get yourself comfortable, ladies and gentlemen. And we're going to get right into it. First thing I want you to do is go to my website, pastordre.com. And then let me see if I can show you the goal of our website today. This is going to be the goal. We're going to try to create a website that looks just like this one. Pretty cool, huh? So that is going to be our goal right there. And you're going to be able to do all this for absolutely free. All right. So then you got a home page, you got a live webcast page, where you can put your live webcast right there. You got a blog page, you got a small groups page, you got a podcast page, and then you have a contact us page with a nice little form that you can fill out. Once again, we'll be able to do all of this for absolutely free. So let's get started. Go ahead and go to my website, pastordre.com. Then I want you to click where it says free website. Go ahead and click right there. It's going to take you to a page that looks just like this one that's loading up right here. And what I want you to do is the first thing we need to do is we got to decide on a domain name for your website. Now, once you decide on this domain name and it gets cleared and approved, your website is going to be live. This is not like you have to wait a day or two, but we're going to show you how to get your website up and running today. So let's say, for example, we are, let me see, we could do church, you could do business, you could do a ministry. Let's just say we are a ministry, right? And then I want to do it for the I'll just say cool ministry. Once again, you can put your church name and you got to see if it's available. It's going to tell you once you type it in here. I'm just going to call mine the cool ministry. And then I'm going to see if it is available. So it's going to tell you if it's available. Let me refresh this really quick just to make sure. All right. So what's going to happen is when you type here, the cool ministry, it should tell you over here if it's available or not. So go ahead and click build my free website. Okay, now once you do that, it's going to take you to a page that looks just like this. What I want you to do is go ahead and type in your email, type in a username, type in your name, then a username, and then a password. Now, the reason you need to fill this out is because you are actually joining a community. And this is a cool community. It teaches you so much stuff. There's a free membership and a paid membership. With the free membership, you could do a free website. I think you get like 2 free websites, right? And then you can do 10 videos that walk you through step by step on how to start like an online business or how to get more traffic to your website. So this is actually a business community, but you can use it for your church website. Now there is a paid membership, which is like $49 a month, but I mean, it gives you so much stuff. You get 10 websites that you can host on blazing fast WordPress hosting. You get a live webinar every Friday that teaches you how to get traffic to your website, how to build a website, how to track visitors to your website, so much stuff. Um, it's amazing. I don't want to get into that because I want to show you how to do a website. And then it gives you, when you become a paid member, you get 24/7 chat. There's so many things you get. But today I'm going to show you how to do everything for free. But that's the reason it is asking you to fill out this information, because you are joining a community. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Once you fill in your information, you're probably going to get a page that looks just like this one that's loading up right now. Next thing I want you to do is go ahead and click where it says free domain, because we're going to build a website. It says, what kind of website do you want to build? You want to build one on a free domain. Okay, so let's go ahead and type my domain here. I chose the the cool ministry. Hopefully it's available. It's going to tell you here if it's available or not. Boom, cool ministry. Awesome, it is available. Okay, so that's the good thing. Your domain needs to be available. That way it could go live on the web. So you can put your church name, your ministry name, your business name, however you want to do it. All right. So then I'm going to say enter a title for your website. I'm going to say the Cool Ministry. And then down here, there's a few themes that you can choose from. You're only going to have one. So I'm going to go ahead and choose this first one here. I have a lot because I'm a premium member, but you're only going to have one. So go ahead and click that and then just click build my website. It's going to take about maybe 30 seconds or so to get everything up and running. Now, like I said, once this is done, you have a website. It's that simple. Once it's done installing what it's doing right now, your website will be live on the internet. So let's go check it out. I'm going to go ahead and visit the URL that we just set up. There it is, thecoolministry.siterubics.com. It's up and running. So if you were to visit that link in your browser, this would show up on your computer or your phone or your tablet, whatever you're viewing this link on. That's cool, huh? So you officially now have a website. So let's go ahead and design the website. Like I said, our goal is going to be to build something that looks like this. We're going to be able to do it all for free. So I'm going to go ahead and close this window and let's get started. All right, first thing I want you to do is I want you to go ahead and log into your dashboard. Now, the way you log into your dashboard is to do this. You go ahead and go here. Let me go back to my account real quick so I can log into the dashboard. And this is how you would log in. You go to Wealthy Affiliate. I'm going to go ahead and log in because now you're a member. You're a free member. And you just go to your websites where it says websites and then view all my websites. Okay. And then I just set this one up, thecoolministry.siterubics.com. And I'm going to click log in right there. Then I'm going to click log in now. There it is. We're up and running. So this is our dashboard. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and let me see. Let me close that. And then I'm going to move this over here. And this is our, okay, so we're going to keep a few screens open. This is our dashboard. This is how our website looks now. And this is the goal of our website. Okay. And we are actually live. So if you have any questions when I'm done, I would love to try to help you out or try to answer any questions that you may have. So you can go ahead and paste them in the comment section, however you're watching this webinar. Okay, let me see here. Let me just go there. Let me just set up a few things real quick. Boom. All right, let's go. So we're in the dashboard. First thing I want you to do is go to Appearance. Okay, and then once you click Appearance, I want you to click Customize. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go where it says Site Identity. Click right there. And then I want you to tick Hide Site Title. And I want you to tick Hide Site Tagline. Okay, so let's go and do that. And then I want you to click Publish. Okay. Now, next thing I want you to do is I want you to go back to your dashboard by clicking the arrow, then click the X. Okay. Now what I want you to do is I want you to go to Appearance. Settings. Sorry about that. And then Reading. Not reading, writing. So Settings and then Writing. What I want you to do is I want you to tick where it says Block Editor. Go ahead and tick that. Where it says Yes, go ahead and tick that. Scroll down and then click Save Changes. All right. So we made a few changes to our website. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Let's refresh. There it is. We removed the name at the top, and we did a few things behind the scenes that you'll see come in handy in a while. All right. Once again, this is our goal. This is how our site looks right now. Next thing I want to do is we want to set up some pages on our website. Right here, this one has 6 pages: home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. So what we're going to do, we're going to go to our dashboard. I want you to go to Pages, and we're going to start adding pages. First thing I want you to do is click Add New. All right. And then what I want you to do is go ahead and type in, you can close that. Go ahead and type in where it says Add Title. I want you to type in Home. Then click Publish, and then click Publish again. Okay, then I want you to go click the back arrow. I want you to click Add New. Then the next page we're going to add is our live webcast. So where it says add title, I want you to type in live webcast, then click publish, publish again. I want you to click the back arrow. All right, and then click add new. And then let's see what our next page is, blog and small groups. Okay, so we're going to add a blog page. So what I want you to do is go ahead and where it says add title, type in blog, click publish again. I want you to click this back arrow here. Then I want you to click add new. After you click add new, it's going to ask you for a page title. I want you to go ahead and type in small groups. Okay? And then you click publish, and click publish again. Let's see what else we got. Podcast and contact us. All right. So let's go ahead and click the back arrow. Oops, sorry about that. Go to pages, click add new. And then we're going to type in podcast where it says page title or add title. Type in podcast and click publish. Publish again. And then the last page we're going to add is a contact us. So go ahead and click this arrow. Click add new. And we're going to type in contact us. Okay. And then click publish and click publish again. All right. Now we just added 6 pages to our website. So let's go ahead and look at our existing website and refresh. There's our 6 pages. We're going to go ahead and delete this sample page. The way you do that is you go back, click the back arrow in your pages section right here. See where it says sample page? Go ahead and click trash. All right. And you're good to go. You go back to your website, click refresh. There it is. Now, how do you change the order of this? Home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. Say you wanted to change the order. All you have to do is you go to your appearance, menus, and then here's your menu. In order to change the order, now what I want you to do, see where it says home custom link, go ahead and delete that. So click over here and then click remove. Okay. And if you want to change the order, you just click and drag. Boom. You show you want home to go to the top, you click and drag it to the top. Make sure it's all the way to the left. If it's to the right, it'll be a sub menu like this. You don't want that. You want it all the way to the left. So let's do home, and then we want live webcast next. So let's move that up. Let's see, home, live webcast. What else we got? Blog, small groups. So we got blog. Let's click and drag small groups, bring it on up. And then let's do podcast next, and then contact us. And let's click create menu. Okay. Now what I want you to do is scroll down a little bit, see where it says primary menu, tick that, and then tick save menu. Okay. So now I want you to refresh your website, and that's what you got. It's all in order. Home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. Home, live webcast, blog, small groups, podcast, contact us. So it's from top to bottom, and then on your website, it goes left to right. Now what we're going to do is we're going to turn this into a website. Right now, it's actually a blog. See, that's a blog. So we're going to turn it into a website. So I want you to go to your dashboard. I want you to click appearance. I'm sorry, settings. Click settings. Okay, and then see where it says writing? Click that. Okay. Wait, writing? No, reading. My bad. Okay, click reading. And then I want you to click static page. And where it says home page, I want you to click home. And then where it says post page, I want you to click blog. And then just click save changes. All right. Okay, so now you have just turned your blog into a website. Let's go check it out. Let's hit refresh. Now it's a website. Remember, this is our goal. This is where we're at now. Now we're going to change this from black to blue. How do you do that? What you want to do is go to your dashboard, go to appearance, click customize. Okay. And then I want you to go where it's going to say colors over here. Click that and then scroll down. See where it says navigation color presets? Click that and choose blue. You could change different colors, but we're going to do blue. Okay. Let's go ahead and do blue, and you click publish. All right, now we go to our website that's live, and we're going to click refresh, and it goes blue. Now, how do we get rid of this that says home and this on the side? Because if you notice on our gold website, it doesn't have home on here and it doesn't have anything on the side. The way you get rid of that is when you go back, I want you to click this X right here. In dashboard, I want you to just click the word dashboard. Then what I want you to do is I want you to go to pages right here. And then I want you to go to home and I want you to click edit block editor. Go ahead and click that. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to get rid of these words that say home. So once you click edit block editor, it's going to take you to your home page. See this little eye thing here? Just click that. Another thing you could do is you can go over here where it says disable elements and you could just tick that. Either way, they both work. Click update, click refresh, home disappears. Now we want to get rid of these side things over here. You just stay on the same page. Over here on the right, over here, see where it says page, where is it at? Sidebar. See where it says sidebars? I want you to tick where it says content, no sidebars, and then click update. And then I want you to go ahead and click refresh on your website. There you go. Now you got a home page, an empty home page. Not too attractive, but remember, our goal is this. So now what we're going to do is we're going to insert this image right here. We already got our blue menu. We got our menu in order. We got our pages. If you click them, there's your live webcast. There's your blog page. There's your small groups page. There's your podcast page. And there's your contact us page. So let's go to our home page. Let's go back to our dashboard, which is here. Now what we want to do is you're on your home page. The way you get there, let me just show you one more time. You're in your dashboard. You just simply go to pages. Click that right there. All right. And then you go to home and you click edit block editor. Okay. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to click this plus, black plus right there. And I want you to type in cover, COVER. And it's going to give you an option. I want you to click that option. And this is going to pop up. Now, I have some images already on my hard drive. Okay. Now, you could upload whatever image you want. See where it says upload? I'm going to click that. Now you could upload from your hard drive. Maybe you have a graphic designer in your church, or you know someone that does graphics really good. You can have them create a nice image. So this is the image I'm going to upload. But you could do an image of people worshiping at your church, someone preaching on the streets, maybe your pastor preaching, however you want to do it. So all you got to do is you get that image to the hard drive of your computer, then you go to upload, and then you go find that image. So I'm gonna go get my image right now. Let me go ahead and get the image from my hard drive. Boom. I'll go there, and I'm gonna go there. And let me see. I think this one's it here. Let me double click and see if that's it. All right. And then once you get your image, once you upload it, you just click update. Oh, that's a nice image, but I actually got the wrong one. So let me go ahead and get the other one here. Boom. Let's see. Replace. Upload. Let me see here. I think it's this one. Let me see if that's it. Oh, okay. So once you get your image, like that's a pretty cool image too, but that's not the one we're shooting for. Let me see if I could find my image here. Let me see. Okay, I think that's it. Worship background. There it is. So we're gonna go ahead and put that image up. And then once I click update, then our image, there it is. That's the correct image. All right. So you just go ahead and click update, and then your image should show up. Now, once you get your image, if we go to our website, we click refresh. Let me update it here. Make sure we got our right image. Boom. Click refresh. There it is. Okay, but if you notice something, this image only goes about from here to here. It doesn't go all the way across the page. This one goes all the way across the page. So how do you get this image to go all the way across? What you want to do is you want to click on the image. There's a few ways you can do it. Okay, here, Okay. You want to click on the image. Now, what I want you to do is I want you to go to the right. Okay. Scroll down. Oh, let's click outside the image. There we go. Okay, so what I did, instead of clicking on the image, you just click outside the image. Okay. You go to the right, scroll down. See where it says page builder container? Click that. See where it says full width? Click that. Then you click update. And then when you hit refresh, your image goes all the way across. That's pretty cool, huh? All right, so now we're going to add the typing, the cool church, and this typing here. Now we're going to add something different. I think we named ours the cool ministry. So in order to start typing on that image, see where it says write title? You click there, you start typing. I'm going to say the cool ministry. Then I'm going to click update. Then I'm going to click after the Y, click enter. Then I'm going to start typing. Tune in every Sunday morning to our live webcast. Okay, you can type whatever you want. Okay, I'm going to say tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. for I'm going to say for our live webcast. Boom. And then if you center it, you just click on here. See these lines? Click that. Click Align Text Center. And then you click Update. So now if we click Refresh on our existing website, watch what happens. There you go. So now we want to add this button. The way you add the button is you just go after webcast, click Enter. There's a black plus button. You click that. Then I want you to type in the word button. Then you just click it. Here's your button right here. So let's type, let's see, view now, or what does this one say? Watch now. Okay, so let's go ahead and type that in. Watch now. Okay, and to move it to the center, you just click it. Make sure that shows up, that little outline box. See these lines there? I'm going to click those, click Align Center. To change the color of the button, you just click the button, and then these options are going to show up over here. So where it says color settings, your text, we want white, and the button color, we want it to be orange. There we go. And you click Update. So now when we go to our website, you click Refresh. There it is. All right. And I see a few of you that are watching on YouTube. If you have any questions, just hit me up. I'm live right now. So if you got any questions, just hit me up. Okay. All right. So there you go. You got the cool ministry. And then you got, that's our goal website. And this is our website. How do you get this to be bold? So what you can do is just highlight the cool ministry. See that letter? It says B. You just click that. Okay. And now it's going to be bold. So you go there, refresh it, and then your cool ministry should be bold. All right, we're making progress. So now how do we add this typing right here? You want to go back to your home page and then see this little plus? You click that, and I want you to type in the word paragraph. Paragraph. Okay? Go. It's going to give you a little paragraph. So you just click right here. You can say, welcome to the cool ministry. Once again, you type whatever you want, whatever your church is, your ministry is. I'm going to click these lines. I'm going to align text in the center to put it in the center. Now to change the size of the font, you could just highlight it. Click this feature here. Click heading. And you can make it a heading 2, or heading 1 is even bigger. Like that. You can bold it with the B. And to center it, you click these lines, click Align Text Center, and you click Update. So now we're going to refresh our website. And there you go. Welcome to the cool ministry. Now they have the church that is on fire for God. So I'm just going to copy that. We're going to type the same thing. Okay. So you go back to your page, click that plus button, click paragraph, type, click where you want to start typing. You paste it. I'm going to highlight it. I'm going to bold it. And I'm going to click these lines and I'm going to center it. And to make it bigger, what I could do, if I want the font to be bigger, just go over here, highlight it. See where it says preset size? Watch this. I'm going to click and I'm going to do large. Watch the text. See how big it got? If I want to do smaller, I could just do medium. See how smaller it got? If I really want to dial it in, I could choose these numbers over here. See that? Bigger, smaller. So let's go ahead and go with 28. All right. And then we'll click update. And let's click refresh. And there you go. Welcome to the Cool Ministry, the church that is on fire for God. We're getting there. Now, how do we get these images on our website? The way you do that is, once again, you just click over here, click this blue button, click the blue button, and I want you to type in the word columns. Okay, I'm going to give you an option for columns. Go ahead and click that. Here's your columns. I want you to click the 3 columns right here. Okay, and then click update. Always try to get in the habit of updating and saving. It's always good to do that in case your computer crashes or you lose access to your website. It's updated. All right, so now you got your 3 columns. What I want you to do now is click plus, and I want you to type in the word image, IMAGE. Select the image, and I have some images on my website. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get those images. They're real simple, nothing fancy. I'm not a graphic designer, but like if you have a graphic designer that's really good, you could have the, hey, what's up, Flex? I see you in the house. It's good to see you. If you have any questions, go ahead and post them in the YouTube chat. I'll try to help you out. Okay, so I have a few images. It's nothing fancy. It's just something that I designed in Photoshop real quick. So I'm going to go ahead and grab those images. All right. And like I said, you could put whatever you want. So let me go ahead and grab my images here. Boom. And the first one I'm going to grab is my live webcast image. So there's my image, right? And then I'm going to go over here, click plus, and then I'm going to put image, and then I'm going to click upload, and then I'm going to grab my podcast image. Okay. Then I'm going to go over here, click plus, click image, and then I'm going to grab my small groups image. So I'm going to click that. Boom. And there's my images. Now let's go ahead and click update. Let's go ahead and click refresh. And we got the 3 images. Now, if you notice, these images are not centered. See how these are centered? So how do we center these images? The way you do that is you go back to your home page, you click the image, see these lines, you click that and click align center. Boom. Click your image, click the lines, click align center. Click the image, click the lines, click align center, click update. And when you click refresh, watch this. Hey, there it is. Wow, we are making some progress. Now we're almost there. Now, if you see here, they got a few little bit of writing under their images. So I'm just going to copy this writing for the sake of time, so I won't have to type it out. I'm just going to copy it. And all you got to do is go underneath your image. You go underneath it. All right, go right underneath it. There you go. See that plus? You click that, click paragraph, and then you just paste. Or you start typing whatever you want. You know, you could type, I'll just type 9 a.m. again so you can see type how it works. Boom. Same thing. I could come over here, click this image, click plus, type paragraph, select paragraph, and just start typing. Check out our amazing podcast. Boom. And then I can center it by selecting the text, click the lines, click align text center. Same here, click the text, the lines, align text center. Then I can come over here, click the plus, click paragraph, and just start typing. We would love for you to join us at one of our small groups. Boom. Then you click the text, click the lines, click align text center. Go ahead and click update. And we're going to click refresh. There you go. You got your text. That's rocking. All right. Next thing they have is a nice image in the background with the video and some typing. How do you do that? Now, this could be a welcome video. It could be a video from your newcomers team, a shout out from your pastor, a testimony, someone saying, hey, welcome to our website. So this could be like your greeting video, okay? This could be like a nice little greeting video. How do you add that? The way you add it is you want to go here, click the plus, and then just type in the word columns. Select columns. And I want you to select the one that says 3070. Go ahead and select that. Oops, sorry about that. I think I did the wrong thing. Let me delete this. Sorry about that. Boom. Remove block. What I want you to do is I want you to click plus, and then I want you to type the word cover. Okay, and then select cover. There you go. Now we're going to add this background image because this has a background image. Now, if you don't have an image and you just want to do like a color, you could just do like green. You could keep it simple if you want. So if I click update, watch how my background looks. It's going to be green instead of having an image. You could do that too. Looks pretty cool. Whatever color you want if you don't want to have a background image. Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and upload an image. I'm going to upload. I'm trying to find the one that's actually there. So let's see. Boom. See if I can find that one. Boom. So I'm going to try to use this actual image. Okay. So let me click update. Let's see what we get. That's not the one. Let me replace it. Okay, there it is. There it is right there. I got it. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and update this one. And our image is going to show up. Now, here's the cool thing. Let me show you something really cool. Okay, we're going to update this. Boom. Then I got to click refresh. Boom. I want to show you something pretty cool. That looks pretty cool, actually. I don't know if, but I'm going to take it out because I want you to get the actual one. Okay, now here's the cool thing. See this over here? If I touch this circle and I move it up, watch the image. See how the image changes? So you can line that image up to exactly where you want it, from top to bottom. So if I want that a little bit higher, boom. If I want it a little bit like that, I could do that. If I just want the people, I could do that. But you just click this circle, you drag it up and down. So I like it like that. So I'm going to go ahead and click update. Now here's another cool thing. See where it says fixed background? If you choose that, what'll happen is if you click update and I go over here and click refresh, the background will stay like that. It won't move. You can do it like that too. That's rocking. But I'm going to go ahead and untick that. I'm going to click update. So now the background's actually going to move with me. Watch this. Let me refresh it. Sorry about that. So now the background's going to move with me, which is pretty cool too. All right. The Flex 116 says, nice. Cool stuff. And let me know if you have any questions. I'm actually live right here. And I see you're the only one on YouTube, so I can really help you out, if you have any questions. Okay. All right. So let's do this. Now what I want to do, see where it says write title? I'm going to click the plus. Then I'm going to type in the word columns. Okay. And then we're going to select, oops, did I misspell it? I think I misspelled it. There we go. Type in the word columns, and I'm going to choose 3070. Now we're going to do, remember our goal is to put this video and some typing. So let's put the typing first. I put the 2 columns. Now it's going to give you options for plus. So click the plus and click paragraph. And you can type whatever you want. Say it's a greeting video, right? So we're going to say, welcome to our website. We are so glad that you stopped by. Here is a greeting video from our newcomers team, or it could be from your pastor, it could be from your public relations person, it could be a testimony, it could be a shout out, it could be any video you want that you want to upload to YouTube, and YouTube is free. So any video you make, you upload it to YouTube, and I'm going to show you how to put it on here. Okay, so we're going to act like it's a greeting video. To make it a little bit bigger, I'm going to highlight this, come over here to the text, and I'm going to put medium. Matter of fact, let's go a little bit bigger. Let's go large. That's too big. So now to dial it in, you could just change these numbers. Let me go smaller. There we go. There we go. Now that's cool. I like that. Okay, let's go ahead and hit update. Then we hit refresh. So now when we scroll down, there's our type. Ooh, that's rocking. Man, that's rocking. No? All right, so now we're going to put our video here. So how do you put the video? Well, remember, we have this plus. I want you to click the plus. I want you to type in the word video. Then you click YouTube. Now I'm going to go to YouTube and grab a video. Right? So I'm gonna grab any video. Let me see. Let me get my let me see how to build a church website. Let me go ahead and grab one of those and see if I can find my actual video. Let's see here. Where's my video? Oh, there's one of my videos. I'm gonna see if I can get the actual promotion video though. Let me see. What's that? Sorry for going so fast. I'm just trying to find a specific video that I did. It's like a little promo. There it is, right there. So I'm gonna click on the video, right? And then I'm just gonna hit pause. Okay. So it won't play. Let me just go ahead and pause it. And see where it says share? I'm going to click that, and then it's going to give me this code. I want you to click copy. Then I'm going to go back to my website, take that code, and paste it right here. Control V on a PC, and I think a Mac is Command V. Then I'm going to click embed. Watch what happens. There's the video. Tell me that's not rocking. Then I'm going to click update. And then we're going to refresh our website. Let's see how that video looks. Wow, there it is. Come on, somebody. There's your video. Now, there's a little tip that I think you could resize and all that, but I don't want to get into it. I'm just going to keep it simple. But I could resize it if I put 3 columns and then just kind of adjusted the column on the right. But let's just keep it simple, okay? So there we go. So now we got our website. You click refresh. There it is. So this could be like a nice little welcome video. You know, welcome to our website. We're so glad you stopped by. Here's a greeting video from our newcomers team. So that is starting to look like this one here. Look at that. Okay, and the last thing they have on here is upcoming events. So the way you add that is you go back over here, right? See this little plus, you click that, you select paragraph, and then you just type in upcoming events. All right, you highlight it, say choose that, choose heading, and you could do H2, you could do a H1. Let's do a H2. Then you click the B to make it bold, and then to center it, you click these lines right here, and you click Align Text Center. There you go. You got upcoming events. Now, what they did is they just added a video. So what you do is you go to plus, okay? You go to cover, and then you select this option of cover, and you click upload. But then instead of uploading a picture, you upload a video. So let me see if I can find that actual video that they use. I don't know if I could find it. Let me see. Let me see if I could actually find it. I think is it this one? Let me see. I'm not for sure if that's it. But all they did was you click upload and you get a video, and then the video will play in the background. There won't be any sound because it's like more of like an announcement video. Oh, there it is. I got it. Got the actual video. So now when we go to our website, we click refresh, scroll down, then our video will start playing. It's still kind of uploading a little bit because it's rendering. So give it about a few seconds. But that's the actual video. And that's all you got to do to create uh, this web page right here. So this is our goal, right? And this is where we're at right now. So let me go ahead and refresh. I think the video should be loaded by now. Let's see. Okay, it's probably still rendering. Let me just make update just to make sure. All right, let's click refresh. There it is. There it is. There it is on your website. And you've done all this for how much? How much have you paid so far? Nothing. All for free. FREE. All right, let's go ahead and do a live webcast page. So now what I want you to do is I want you to click this back arrow and I want you to go where it says live webcast. Just go ahead and click that. And it's going to take you to your live webcast page. Now, the way you put a live webcast on your website is you do it like this. If you go to YouTube, okay, let me go ahead and see if I can log into my YouTube. But all you do is you go to your YouTube account. Let me log in. It's going to take me through a sign-in process, so just bear with me because I got my two-step sign-in and all that stuff. So let me see here. Let me just go ahead and sign in. Boom. Give me 1 second. Okay, let's see if I can sign into YouTube here. Boom, enter your password. I don't remember my password. Okay, let me see. Confirm. Now I got to confirm to sign in. Just bear with me. This is that top-notch security on Google. So let me just try getting a code. A verification code is better. Be a little faster. All right, give me about 15 seconds. We'll work it. You just type in this code real quick. 570. Okay, boom. All right, now to put a live webcast feed on the page, so let me start this video. My bad. What you want to do is click, see where it says create, you click that. See where it says go live, you click that. Okay. Now, what you want to do is you want to set up a live stream. So see where it says schedule stream, you click that. Okay, and then you just click create new, and then you give it a title. Say this is your Sunday morning worship or celebration service, right? And then you say, okay, I want the video to be public. I want it to be start. I want to start Sunday, October 4th, and say your service is at 9 a.m. So you just scroll up, select 9 a.m. And then you said, no, it's not for kids. And then you click create stream. So now this is going to be your live stream for Sunday. That's so cool. So whatever, of course you got to have video equipment, all that connect to your laptop. But once you go live on YouTube, it's gonna be your live stream. It's gonna show your video, your camera, and all that. Now to get this feed on your website, see where it says Sunday morning celebration service? Click that. That's the one we just set up right now. It's October 4th, 9 a.m. See this arrow? I want you to click that. See where it says copy? Click that. Then go back to your live webcast page. Click plus and type in the word video. It's going to give you the YouTube option. You take that link, paste it in there, hit embed, and then you click update. And guess what's going to be on your website now? When you go to your live webcast page, you got a live web feed. So when you go live, your feed's going to show up. Isn't that cool? That's rocking. That's rocking. All right. So then you could type some cool stuff. Like you could add a paragraph here. Let me just do the plus. So you could do the plus here, and I'm going to show you something else real quick. Do the plus and the paragraph, right? So I'm going to say, welcome to our live feed. You can tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Now, notice this is on the bottom of your video. To move anything around on your website, see these arrows? You click that, it moves it up. You want to move it down, click that, it moves it down. So let's click that arrow. We're going to move it up. Then I'm going to highlight it, and I want to bold it. And I want to go over here and make it large. Oh, come on, that's rocking. Click update. Let's go to our webcast page and click refresh. Welcome to our live feed. You can tune in every Sunday morning at 9 a.m. Come on, tell me that's not rocking. The Flex 116, is that rocking or what? Just give me a that's rocking in the comment section if you think that's cool. That's so cool. And you've done all this for how much? Absolutely free. All right, let's go ahead and do your blog page. When you set up a blog page is, okay, let me go ahead and close YouTube. So remember, this was our goal. I think we did pretty good. Let's check out our home page. There it is. We did pretty good. All right, so let's go ahead and set up, we did our live webcast page. All right, now it's having a hard time telling which one is which, huh? So let me go ahead and close this one now that we've got our website up and running. Let me go ahead and close that one. So there it is, all for free. So now we're going to add we already added our live webcast page. Let's add a blog page. The way you do that, you go to your dashboard, click the back arrow, go to where it says post. Okay, where it says hello world, I want you to go ahead and trash that. And then I want you to click where it says add post. And then what you want to do is you just name your blog post and you start typing. So this could be my first blog. And then you come down here, you start typing. Thank you for visiting our blog and we hope that you are blessed. And you just start typing. You could do a praise report, you could do an update, you can do a testimony, you could do so much. It's your blog, you can write whatever you want. So let's just say I'm writing, boom, boom, boom. So I'm going to copy this and just paste it a lot, like it's a paragraph, boom. I say God is moving on the mission field, boom, 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 boom. You could put pictures, like I could come over here like this. I could come down here, right? Click beneath, hit the enter. I could click the plus, and I could go to image. Then I could go to upload, and I could go to my hard drive. Let me go get an image of my hard drive. I'm gonna get an image of your boy. All right, get an image. Watch this. Go to images. Okay. So then I'm gonna do this one. I'm gonna use this image here. Right. So I want to use that image. Then I'm gonna click publish. Publish again. So now when I go to my blog page, watch what happens. I have a blog. And if I click read more, it shows me the entire blog. There's the blog right there. Okay. So let's go ahead and add our image. So let me make it a little smaller. And then I'm going to click align. Watch this. When I click align left, watch what happens. And I'm going to move it up. Watch what happens. Boom. Isn't that cool? It moves next to the text. Tell me that's not rocket. So then you click update, right? So you can write a nice blog. And then you go over here, click refresh. Watch how the blog looks. Isn't that cool? And you can write as many blogs as you want. So let's go back. Let's write another one real quick. I'm going to click the back arrow. I'm going to click add new. All right. So we're going to add another blog, but we're going to call this one my second blog. You can call it whatever you want. My second blog. Maybe you can say testimony from the mission field or praise report or check out this miracle or however you want to do it. So my second blog, I'm going to paste like I'm writing, right? Boom, 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 boom. Another paragraph, boom, 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 boom. Another paragraph. And like I said, you could put an image or you don't have to put an image. So you click publish, okay? Then we click refresh. Then we go to our blog page. Now you got your first blog and your second blog. And to read it, they just click more or read more, I'm sorry, and there's your blog. That's how simple you set up your blog page. All right, let's do a small groups page. The way you set up a small groups page is we're going to go back to our dashboard. So let's click this back arrow. Okay, and then let's go to pages. And let's click the small groups page. I want you to click edit with block editor. Okay, so once you got that set up, you already have your small groups page where it says small groups. But what I want you to do is I want you to click the plus, and then I want you to click columns. And I want you to put the 3 columns. Now watch this. I'm going to click plus, and I'm going to click paragraph. And the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to say name, and I'm going to say the name of my small group is the cool small group. And I'm going to click where. Let's just say 123 Fort Trekker Road in the Goodwood Mall. Okay, then you can say when every Tuesday at 7 p.m. You can say contact. You can put the church number 1-461-407-9474. All right, so that's your small group. That's one of them. Now, the cool thing is I can come over here and paste this and say we got about 5 small groups. I could copy, and then I'm just going to copy this information, but I could put another small group over here, click plus, and then paragraph. I'm going to click paste. Of course, it won't be the same small group, but you could just change all the information. You could say the exercise group. Maybe there's an exercise small group or something. Boom, the exercise group. Exercise. How you spell exercise? Boom. I think that's it. Then you change the address. You could say 456 Fort Trekker every Wednesday. You could say, all right. You could say every Wednesday at 7 o'clock, and then contact. And you just do the same thing. You got another small group. Let's copy that. Hit plus, select paragraph, you paste it, and of course you'd put different information. But there you go. So let me go ahead and copy this information. And then you just paste it in there, hit update. And now when I refresh my blog page, my small groups page, There's a list of my small groups. And of course, you could put a picture at the top to make it look really cool. Like let's say, let me just get an image real quick. Let me use one we have already. So say image, then I'm going to go to my media library and just say I like this image here. But it could be an image of someone at a Bible study, maybe so people teach like sitting in a circle, reading the Bible. So you could make whatever image you want. So I'm just going to select that image, right? Then I'm going to remember how I showed you how to bring it up. Click the arrow. And I'm going to make it a little smaller, you know, however you want to do it. Put the image at the top, click update, and then I'm going to click refresh. There's your little image. You could have, maybe someone sitting at a small group, a Bible study, however you want to do it. But you could put the image that you want. I don't want that image. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. But I'm just giving you an example of what you can do. Boom. All right. Or you could just leave where it says small groups. You could do it like that. So you hit refresh. There's your small groups page. All right. Now, how do you add a podcast page? And we're almost done. Click the back arrow. Click where it says podcast. Now, you need to have a podcast service. I personally use Spreaker, but there are free services where I think like Anchor is free. I think Podbean has a free service. So you would have to do a search. So I'm going to go ahead and go to my podcast. Type in Spreaker, Spreaker.com. Okay, then I'm going to log in to my podcast, and you need to get what's called your RSS feed. So when you set up a podcast, it's going to give you a RSS feed. So I'm gonna go get mine. I'm gonna go to my dashboard, and my RSS feed is right here. See where it says RSS feed? This is my podcast, the Rise Up Radio segment. I do a radio show every Wednesday on CCFM here in Cape Town, South Africa, and I also have a podcast of that show. So you can listen to it on demand if you want to check it out. It's called the Rise Up Radio segment. All right. So what I do is I'm gonna get this RSS feed, I'll copy it up here, I'll copy it, I'll come back, see where it says podcast, I'll click the plus, I'm gonna type in RSS. You see that little option, click that. Take the link that you copied, paste it in there, and click use this URL. And I'm gonna click update. What's going to happen? It's going to register the RSS, and when we come back, it's going to be able to give you. It's going to have your podcast on here, and it updates automatically. So let's just give it a little bit of time, and hopefully before we're done, it'll be updated. Now, how do you add a contact us page? All right, what you want to do? Let me go ahead and close Spreaker. Boom, boom. Let's close that. Close that. Let's go to our dashboard and contact us. You click edit with Block Editor. Now, there's another service that you can get for free that has forms for free. I want you to type in JotForm on your browser, jotform.com. Okay? And it's pretty cool because if you go to pricing, you click it, it gives you 5 free forms, 100 submissions for free. So this will get you started. Now, there are paid memberships, but let's go ahead and select the free one. So you want to set up an account by signing up. Okay, once you sign up, go ahead and log in. So I'm going to go ahead and log into my account. Click log in. And once you log in, I want you to go where it says my forms right there. Click that. Okay, here's all my forms. You're probably not going to have any because you just signed up. So I'm going to click my contact us form. I'm going to click edit this form. Okay, now when you decide to build your form, it's going to look empty. And you're going to have this over here where it says add form element. Click the plus. And then you just start clicking and dragging whatever you want to add to your form. If you want their full name, click, drag, drop. And there it goes. I'm going to delete it because I already have the name. If you want their email, you click, drag, and you choose the order where you want it, drop. I'm going to delete it because I already have email. All right. And then phone number, whatever you want. And then the way I did this, how did you hear about us? Is I scroll down and I chose multiple choice. Click, drag, and drop. And I typed in the question, how did you hear about us? And then I gave them options. I typed in flyer or whatever it was. You could put TV, put radio, you could put friend. There you go. and it's on your form. So there's mine right there. So I'm going to go delete this because I already have one. We'll delete that, and there's your form, and it automatically saves it. Now, how do you get this form on your website? You go to Publish, and see where it says Embed. Click that. See where it says Copy Code. Click that. And you go back to your website, to your Contact Us page. I want you to click the plus, and I want you to type in HTML. Click, then select that option, Custom HTML. The code you just copied, I want you to paste it. Control V PC, Command V Mac, paste it in there. Click Update. Now watch what happens when you go to your Contact Us page on your website. You have a cool little form. Isn't that rocking? And the cool thing about it is when you sign up with JotForm, you sign up with an email. This will automatically send every submission that you get to that email. So when I fill out this form, name, email, phone number, and how'd you hear about us, it's going to send all the answers to your email of every response that you get. Now you are limited, with the free version to like 100 responses, but it'll get you started. So now you've just built a rocking website for free from scratch for your church. You got a nice homepage. Come on, somebody. Nice video you could put on here, any video you want. You got a live webcast page. When you go live, you'll be live on your website. And let me just tell you this. Let me tell you something. It's good. I see a lot of churches promoting their services on social media, which is okay. Tune in on social media, watch us live on social media. You don't want to send people to social media. You want to send them to your website. Now, you can use social media to get people from social media to your website, but you don't want to be broadcasting, hey, join us on social media live, because social media is like leased property. Your website is property you own. And here's the challenge. Here's the thing. If I'm watching your service, right, on your website, I could click your Contact Us form. I could listen to your podcast. I could check out where your small groups are. I could read your blog. You could even put a giving button down here. But if I'm watching you on social media, I don't have all this. I don't have these options. And there's a lot of distractions. So if I could encourage you with anything, build a website, put your live feed on your website. When you make a flyer, tell people watch us live on our website, www.theonfirechurch.com. Tune in live. You don't want to lead them to a social media, because then it's like, okay, they got to search the name of your church. And then when they do get on Facebook, oh, look at that cool picture. Look at that. So there's so many distractions. And then if they want to get a hold of you, it's difficult because now they're watching the service and then they got to scroll back up to click this to try to get a hold of you. But if I'm watching you like this, I could just click your Contact Us when the service is done. I could listen to your podcast. You with me? And it's all on the same page. Social media. If I want to get a hold of you, the service is done. So okay, I got to scroll up, and then I got to go where? I got to probably go to your website anyway, right? To get a hold of you, or you're going to put a phone number, and that's cool. But then, okay, I'll call you on the phone. Or are you going to put an email, right? Just have all that on your website. It's a lot easier. It eliminates a lot of steps. And one thing you can't put on social media is a give now button, but you can put that on your website. So say you set up giving through PayPal or a giving service. I'm watching your service during the tithes and offerings. If I want to give, I just click the give now button, and I'm still able to listen to your service and watch your service. Come on, somebody. So that's why you want to build a website. And that, just for that right there alone, just for the giving button, makes it worth it, because then I don't have to go out of nowhere. If there's a button here, I click the button, I start giving, boom, the music's playing for the tithes and offering, the music's done, I'm still logged into your service. But on social media, I got to log out, go to your giving page, and I got to do all kinds of other stuff just to give, and that makes it a little bit more difficult. The easier you make it for the people, the better. All right, so now you got a home page, live webcast page, a blog page, a small groups page, a podcast page. There's our podcast. It's fresh now. It's loaded. There it is. So if I want to listen to a podcast, I just click that. It takes me to the episode. I click play, and then I can simply just come on, somebody. Tell me that's not rocking. Right? So let me go back to my cool. What did I call it? What was the name of the website? Here it is, right here. Boom. So let's go ahead and go back. Visit the site. The Cool Ministry site. That's what it is. All right. So if I go to the podcast, So I can listen to your podcast there, and I can also contact you straight from your website. All right. And there it is. That's a rocking website. Tell me that's not rocking. Nice little homepage. Boom. Nice little webcast page. Boom. Nice little blog. You can write as many blogs as you want. Boom. List of your small groups. So I'm watching your service. Now I want to get connected. I could get a list of all your small groups. There's your podcast. Boom. And then there's your contact us page. If I want to get a hold of you, I just simply fill out the form, click submit, ready to rock and roll. And then you could even put a link to contact us. Like say you're watching your live webcast, you could put a few links. Give now, contact us, listen to podcasts or listen to or read blog. So if I want to get a hold of you during the service, I click the button that says contact us. Let me just show you real quick. I wasn't going to do that, but let me just show you. Say I'm on your live webcast, right? This is rocking. This is rocking. I'm excited, so I got to show you. I'm trying to win you over from social media to your own website. So I'm going to come down here. I'm going to type in the word columns. I'm going to choose the 3 columns, right? Now, all these columns, I'm just going to click plus, and I'm going to type in the word button. And I'm going to click that. And on that button, I'm going to say give now. That's all I'm going to say. That's all I'm going to do. Then I'm going to go over here, click plus, type in the word button. And on that button, I'm going to say contact us. Then I'm going to go here, click plus, type in the word button. I'm going to say read blog. Okay, that's it. That's all I'm going to do. And I'm going to change the color. Maybe text is white. Maybe make the button green or something, or it's giving. Come on, somebody. And then you come over here, color settings, text color white. Let's just make this one yellow to contact us. Click the button. Color settings, text white. Let's do another color. Let's say maybe orange to read blog. Click update. Now, I don't have a giving page, but if I had, say, PayPal or something, I just click the button. See this little link? I can just type in I type in the PayPal thing, HTTP, boom, and then I'm going to type in paypal.com. All right, and I'm going to do it like that. And then for contact us, you could do the same thing. Click the link here. I'm going to type in contact us. Boom, and there's our contact us page. Then for the blog, I'm going to click the button, click the link, and then I'm going to type in blog, and then it's going to give us our blog page. There's the blog page, right? And then I click update. That's rocking right there. So then what I'm going to do is I'm going to go click refresh. So say I'm watching your live feed and I want to give. Boom, I could give. Now I can set it up to where it doesn't leave the feed. So let me do that. So the way you set that up is when they click it, it doesn't leave your feed. You click the button. See where it says open a new tab? You click that. Okay. You click update. You click the button where it says open a new tab. You click that and then you click update. And you click the button here. It says open a new tab. You want to select that and then click update. So now if I refresh this page, right, and say I get inspired to give, it won't take me away from your webcast. It'll take me to a whole new page and then you just give. Come on, somebody. If I want to contact you during your service, it takes me to your page and I'm still able to listen to your feed. If I want to read your blog, there it is. I'm still listening to your feed. That's a rocking website. Look, it's time to take your online presence to another level. If you don't have a church website, now's the time to do it. And the cool thing is you did all this for free. Now, the only thing with your podcast, when you do click it, it does take you to another page, which is, which is cool. But uh, the main thing is you don't want people leaving your page when they're watching your webcast, because that's where you're going to be doing your tithes and your offerings and all that good stuff. Okay. So there it is. But like I said, on social media, if I want to give, it's complicated. I got to leave the feed and come back, but not so with your own website. Well, I hope this has helped you out. If you have any questions, hit me up, Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. That's Pastor Dre at PastorDre.com. Thanks for tuning in. God bless you.